So I believe with the laparoscopic approach, the complications are very minimal, the postoperative complications.
Yes. So the best way to think about laparoscopic groin hernia surgery versus open groin hernia surgery is really done to help patients get back to their day-to-day activities and get back to work and have the minimal impact as far as pain and the stress of surgery is concerned. It is not so much because it's safer or has fewer complications that we offer the laparoscopic approach, and it's not really so much because it's more effective. In other words, both laparoscopic and open hernia repair, when done by an expert, should be very safe and should be very effective. It's really in the recovery that we can influence patients' experience. So what we typically see and tell patients is if you have open repair, you are going to be hurting for about a week and probably not returning to exercise and heavy lifting for 6 weeks. Now, if you contrast that to laparoscopy, it's about a 1 or 2 days of discomfort versus 1 week, and 1 week of not heavy lifting versus 6 weeks. That's where the difference comes in.